In this segment, you will learn how to apply wheel well sealer using Fuser 805. Benefits of using Fuser 805 for this application include matches OEM wheelhouse textures, excellent for irregular contours, easy application.
After removing any original wheelhouse coating material from the wheelhouse area, apply masking tape and masking paper to protect the adjacent areas of the repair. Apply a primer to all bare metal areas. A 2-component epoxy primer is preferred. Allow the primer to fully dry per paint manufacturer's recommendations. Then scuff sand the primer with 180 to 220 grit sandpaper or a regular scuff pad. Be careful not to sand through to the bare metal. Remove dust and debris from the seam area using compressed air. Carefully cut off the leading edge of the Fuser 805 cartridge tip. Be careful not to remove the threaded shaft. Purge out a small amount of sealer. This ensures all trapped air within the cartridge is removed. Install the Fuser 805 cartridge into the Fuser Sprayable Seam Sealer and Coating Dispensing Gun, stock number 312, and adjust the air pressure feed in the range of 25 to 60 psi. Then spray out a small amount of sprayable seam sealer to attain the seam sealer texture and pattern desired for a factory match. Begin the application by applying Fuser 805 to the wheelhouse area. Coat the wheelhouse with a Fuser 312 gun by utilizing typical paint shop spray gun techniques and maintaining a gun distance of about 6 inches. Pay special attention to make sure the wheelhouse repair area is completely coated with Fuser 805 product. Fuser 805 wheelhouse texture coating and sealer will skin over in less than 1 hour and will fully cure in approximately 24 hours depending on the thickness of the applied material. Fuser 805 product overspray can be easily cleaned up. Simply wipe the affected areas with Fuser plastic and rubber cleaner, stock number 703, and a clean, dry rag. If necessary, prime and refinish per the paint manufacturer's recommendations, immediately or within 4 days.
This completes the wheel well sealer application procedure using Fuser 805. For more information, visit www.lord.com/Fuser. Call 877-ASK-LORD or contact your local Fuser distributor.